Hello, I'm Miss Bush and I'm a science teacher in St. Paul Public Schools. I teach at Horace Mann Elementary. And today I'm wondering a lot about germs and diseases, viruses, and I'm wondering about how they work inside my body. Inside my body, I have something called the immune system. You have it too. There's an immune system inside your body and it fights off viruses and bacteria and all kinds of things that can make you sick. It fights off germs. Now, this whole section of learning is going to be about the human immune system. That's the system that fights off germs. But today I'm thinking about something else. I think about this a lot with the coronavirus and about how all of us are working to stay healthy and safe right now. I am thinking about masks, and I have some cool ones. This is my periodic table of elements mask. How do you like that? Science teachers like this. This one is a red mask. I really like the color red. So there we go. This one's red. Big fan of red. And I have a lot of different masks in my house. Even my daughter has one. She likes her macaroni and cheese mask. It has adjustable ear loops. It has wire right here to adjust the nose piece. So here's my big wondering. How do masks help us stay healthy? How do masks even work? Well, let's take a look over here on Schoology. Oh, come on, camera. Let me flip. Oh, the camera's being a stinker now. There's the button. Finally! Woo, it worked. When something finally works, we can be happy. Over here on Schoology, our question is, how do you think masks protect us from coronavirus? I would love to know what you're thinking, and your teachers will love to see your answers. There's a few questions you could answer. How do you think masks protect us from coronavirus? How do you feel about wearing a mask? And you should write a comment about what you think. So here on Schoology, go ahead and tell us what you think. You could write something like, I like picking out fun colors for masks, but I don't like when they fog up my glasses. And then you need to answer both parts of the question. We need to know, how do they protect us? I think they protect us by, well, I'm not going to write an answer, and that's your job right now. So get an idea, how do masks protect us, and write it on your Schoology discussion board right now.